ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासनम in these three, according to Vivarana Prasthana, Manana and Nididhyasana, they don't have Tartiya Sheshatvam. Means Tritiya Adhyaya, Tritiya Pada, what is given there, what we saw on page 220 in Tippani 1, that is not there in Manan Nididhyasana. And then he explained about Shruti Linga Vakya Prakrana Sthana Samakhya. So Shruti Linga Vakya Prakrana 4 he explained. Then Samakhya Krama and Samakhya, that he said they are far from, they are negated from far itself as far as Manana Nididhyasana are concerned. So then if they are not having Tartiya Sheshatvam, then what are they? See 224 in Moolam. Kintu यथा घटादि कार्ये मृत्पिंडादीनां प्रधान कारणता चक्रादीनां सहकारी कारणता इति प्राधान्य व्यपदेशः तथा श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासनानामपि इति मंतव्यम्. Just as in घट उत्पत्ति मृत्पिंडादि they have कारणता but it is pradhana karanata, and chakra danda kulala they have karanata, it is sahakari karanata. So both have karanata but there is bheda. In the same way, so one is pradhanya, another is apradhanya. Pradhanya vyapadesha. तथा एवं प्रकारेण श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासनानाम अपि इति मंतव्यम. In these three also Shravanam has pradhanyam, Manan Nididhyasanam has apradhanyam. Karanata is there in which one?
Shravana.
Karanata is there in all three. Pradhana Karanata is in Shravana. Karanata is in all three. टीका ननु मनन निधिध्यासनयोर तार्तीय शेषत्वं न किंतु श्रवण सहकारित्वम् इति इदमेव विवरणाचार्याभिमतम् इति कथं ज्ञातम् इत्यतः. Someone is asking that Manan Nididhyasana, these two, they don't have Tartiya Sheshatvam. What is Tartiya Sheshatvam?
Tritiya Adhyaya Tritiya Pada
Of Purva Mimamsa Sutras. Tritiya Adhyaya Tritiya Pada of Mimamsa Sutra. It is not like that. Tartiya Sheshatvam, no. But Manan Nididhyasana, they have Shravana Sahakaritvam. And you are saying this is what Vivaranacharya Abhimata. This is Ishta for Vivaranacharya Abhimata. Vivaranacharya Abhimatam Katham Gyatam. How do you know that this is the intention of Vivarana Acharya? इत्यतः सूचितं च एतद् विवरण आचार्यैः शक्ति तात्पर्य विशिष्ट सूचितं च एतद् विवरण आचार्यैः. This is सूचितं indicated by विवरण आचार्य प्रकाशात्मन यति, where in vivarana on panchapadika. So from Shakti Tatparya up to Angikriyate, that whole quotation is from Vivarana. Shakti Tatparya Vishishta Shabda Avadharanam Prameya Avagamam Prati Avyavadhanena Karanam Bhavati. Pramanasya Prameyaavagamam Prati Avyavadhanat. This is for Shravanam. Shravanam, how do I understand Shakti Tatparya Vishishta Shabda Avadharanam? What is the Tatparya of the subject matter there, Vishaya? It is understood through Vishishta Shabda Avadharanam. So that Vishishta is Shakti Tatparya Vishishta Shabda. Shabda, so many Shabdas are there. Shabda has Shakti. That Shakti which is revealing the Tatparya of those Shabdas, Shakti Tatparya Vishishta Shabda Avadharanam, Prameya Avagamam. And this Avadharanam is for the Jnanam of Prameya. Prameya Avagamam Prati Avyavadhanena Karanam. So what is Karya and what is Karanam in this Vakya? Quick. This is easy. It is why such a long time.
शक्ति तात्पर्य विशिष्ट शब्द अवधारणा कारणम.
Correct. Shakti Tatparya Vishishta Shabdavadharanam is Karanam. And Karyam is?
प्रमेय अवगमम.
Correct. Prameya Avagama is Karyam. So, through Shakti Tatparya Vishishta Shabdavadharanam, I will have Prameya Avagama. Avagama is Jnanam. So, Shakti Tatparya Vishishta Shabdavadharanam is Pramanam. Pramana will become Karanam to get the Prameya Jnanam. Pramanasya Prameya Avagamam Prati Avyavadhanat. So, Pramana will directly reveal Prameya. This is the Nyaya. This is the Yukti. Without any Vyavadhana. Pramanasya Prameya Avagamam Prati Avyavadhanat. And Shabda is Pramanam, that is Shravanam, Vedanta Pramana, Vyapara. What about Manan Nididhyasana? Manana Nididhyasane tu Chittasya Pratyagatma Pravanata Samskara Parinishpanna. And Tat is there. Tad Ekagra Vritti Karya Dwarena Brahmanubhava Hetutam Pratipadyete. Iti Phalam Prati Avyavahita Karanasya Vishishta Shabdavadharanasya Vyavahite Mananididhyasane Tadange Angikriyate. Manana and Nididhyasane, these two, Mananancha Nididhyasanancha iti Mananididhyasane, two. Chittasya Pratyagatma Pravanata Samskara Parinishpanna. What Chitta will do, Chitta should have Ekagra Vritti. Chitta should develop ekagra vritti for Brahma Jnana. Ekagra vritti is the karyam. And how it will happen? Pratyagatma pravanata samskar parinishpanna. The cause there will be Pratyagatma pravanata, means going towards, flowing towards the Pratyagatma. And for that, samskar parinishpanna. So, that which is arising from purification. Purification of what kind? Going towards only Pratyagatma. Chitta vritti, single-pointedly thinking of only Pratyagatma. This is the job of Manan Nididhyasana. What is the nature of Pratyagatma? This is the nature of Shravanam. Shravanam will tell you what is Atma, how it is, like Eka, Advitiya, Sarvavyapaka, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, with Upadhi, Jagat Karanam, etc., etc., etc. Akarta, Abhokta. Shravanam will give you this. Manan Nididhyasana will prepare you to think of this Atma exclusively devoid of other things. In that ekagrata, thinking alone of Atma, this is called Chitta Shuddhi. So, Manan Nididhyasana tu Chittasya Pratyagatma Pravanata Samskar. This is the samskar of Chitta.
Cannot hear Swamiji.
And thinking of Atma. At the level is thinking only of Atma.
Swamiji, we lost the last few minutes, Swamiji.
Okay, I will repeat. Mananam and Nididhyasanam. Manan Nididhyasane. This Vakya I am going to explain. Manan Nididhyasane tu Chittasya Pratyagatma Pravanata Samskar Parinishpanna Tad Ekagra Vritti Karya Dwarena Brahmanubhava Hetutam Pratipadyate Iti Phalam Prati Avyavahita Karanasya Vishishta Shabdavadharanasya Vyavahite Manan Nididhyasane Tad Ange Angi Kriyate Iti. What is Manan Nididhyasane? Mananancha Nididhyasanancha iti Manan Nididhyasane. What is their role? Chittasya samskara parinishpanna tad ekagra vritti karya dwarena. Chitta where samskara parinishpanna, samskara chitta shuddhi is attained, parinishpanna, tad ekagra vritti dwarena. And then there is ekagra vritti for that. Chitta ekagrata means not thinking of anatma and having only pratyagatma pravanata. Chintanam only about pratyagatma. The flow of chitta vritti towards pratyagatma alone, devoid of any anatma. This will be accomplished by manana and nididhyasanam. And Shravanam will accomplish only, Shravanam will reveal the nature of Atma. Atma is one, Advitiya, Atma is nirguna, nirvikara. Atma is jagat karanam, akarta, abhokta. This will be known through Shravana. And Manan Nididhyasana, they will give Pratyagatma Pravanata Samskar. Shuddhi, Chitta Shuddhi in the form of exclusive thinking of Atma. And through that, Ekagra Vritti Karya Dwarena Brahmanubhava Hetutam Pratipadyate. So then, Brahmanubhava Hetuta, Brahmanubhava Hetuta will come in what?
Manana Nididhyas.
Manana and Nididhyasana. And the Karya is Pratyagatma Pravanata Samskara Parinishpanna Ekagra Vritti. इति फलम प्रति अव्यवहित करणस्य विशिष्ट शब्दावधारणस्य. टुवर्ड्स द फलम ब्रह्म ज्ञान अव्यवहित करण मीन्स प्रमाण विशिष्ट शब्दावधारण एंड व्यवहित इज मनन निधिध्यासन. मनन निधिध्यासने व्यवहिते तदंगे. तदंगे व्हाट इज तत्पद?
Shravana.
तद मीन्स श्रवणम. श्रवणस्य अंगे मनन निधिध्यासन आर अंग ऑफ श्रवण. अंगीक्रियते मीन्स स्वीक्रियते. ठीक है. क्व इति अपेक्षायाम आद्य वर्णकस्थम तद्वाक्यम पठति शक्ति इत्यादि अंगीक्रियेते. अच्छा, अंगीक्रियेते इट शुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू टिप्पणी. मेक इट अंगीक्रियेते. इति. So where it is shown? In Adya Varnaka. Adya Varnaka means first Varnaka. There are 9 Varnaka in Panchapadika. So this is first Varnaka. In that, this is given. This entire quotation. Further. Shravanadau kasya adhikara iti apekshayam aha. Now, who has adhikara means who is qualified for Shravana. Iti apekshayam aha Shravanadishu cha mumukshunam adhikara. So who is adhikari? Mumukshu is adhikari. टीका मोक्ष रूप फल कामनया क्रियमाण श्रवणादिकमपि काम्यम इति भाव. In Mula it is given kamya karmani phala kamasya adhikaritvat. In any kamya karma, phala kami is adhikari. So what is the phala that a mumukshu wants?
Moksha.
Moksha. And therefore, he will do Shravana. Kamya karmani phala kamasya adhikaritvat means Swarga is phalam. Swarga kama is the kami. He will do Jyotishtomadi, which will result in Swarga. So in the same way, mumukshu who desires moksha will do shravanam. That is what is explained in Tika. Moksha rupa phala kamanaya. If moksha is the phalam, then tad kriyamana shravanadikam is the kamya. Mumukshāyānca nitya nitya vastu vivekasya ihamutrartha phala bhoga viragasya shama damo parati titiksha samadhana shraddhananca viniyoga. So mumuksha is number one. Then for that viniyoga, not vinayoga. For moksha, nitya nitya vastu viveka is also required. Viniyoga means upayoga. Then iha amutra artha phala bhoga viraga. Then shama dama uparati titiksha samadhana and shraddha. All of their viniyoga means samadhi shat sampatti. So all of them are required for moksha. So when we study this in Tattva Bodha, and then all the way in Athato Brahma Jignasa Sutra also, Bhagavan Bhashyakara has given this. Here also, and in many Prakarana Granthas they come. So they repeat this, and we have to go on reflecting. Many years back, we started this journey. Where are we now? Am I still having Viveka, Vairagya, Shat Sampatti, and that much Mumukshutva? Yeshu satsveva sannishta, yada bhave na siddhyati. When they are there, Brahmanishta will happen. What is Nitya Nitya Vastu Viveka in Tika? Nitya Nityayoho Atmanatmano ho Vivekasya Atmanatmanor Vivekasya Nitya Nityayor Vasati iti Nitya Nitya Vastu Tayor Nityatva Nityatva Dharmayor Va Vivekasya. Nitya Anityayoho Atmanatmano Atmanatma Vastunoho. Nitya and Anitya. Nitya is Atma, Anitya is Anatma. Their Viveka. Nitya Nitya Vastu Viveka. So he says Nitya Nityayor Vasati iti Vastu. So that will become Nitya Nitya Vastu. Tayoho Viveka. Tayor Nitya Nityatva Dharmayoho Va. So either Nitya Nitya Vastu Viveka means Nityatva Anityatva Dharma. Nityatva Dharma and Anityatva Dharma, their Viveka. Nityatva is where? Anityatva is where? That I should think. Vivekasya. Then Vairagya is explained. Iha Mutra Artha Phala Bhoga Viraga. When we first time hear, we think, yes, I already have enough Vairagya. And after many years, I understand really what is Vairagya. Tika, Samadhi Lakshayati. Samadhiu Lakshayati, that is how it should be. D should have Anuswar. Samadhiu Lakshayati. Antaha. अंतरिंद्रिय निग्रह शमः, बहिरिंद्रिय निग्रहो दमः. अंतरिंद्रिय मीन्स अंतःकरण और मन. मनो निग्रह इज शमः, बहिरिंद्रिय निग्रह इज दमः. विक्षेप अभाव इज उपरति. सी व्हाट इज उपरति, नॉट कर्म त्याग. विक्षेप अभाव इज उपरति. In Tattvabodha, how it is explained?
स्वधर्मानुष्ठान.
स्वधर्मानुष्ठान, अपना काम करो. This is uparathi. Then in Vedanta Sara, vihitanam karmanam vidhina parityaga. Vihita karma parityaga. Here he says vikshepa abhava is uparati. So uparati is there means vikshepa abhava is there. शीतोष्णादि द्वंद्व सहनम तितिक्षा. शीतोष्णादि द्वंद्व सहनम इस तितिक्षा. सीटी का श्रवणादि व्यतिरिक्त अधिकार अनुपयुक्त विषयेभ्यो मनसो निग्रह शमस. तादृश विषयेभ्यो बहिरिंद्रियाणाम श्रोत्रादीनाम निग्रहो दम. श्रवणादि व्यतिरिक्त, अदर देन श्रवणम, आदि मीन्स मनन निधिध्यासन. अदर देन श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासन, एनी अदर व्यापार व्यतिरिक्त अधिकार अनुपयुक्त, देर वेर आई डोंट हैव अधिकार. In such vishayas, I should restrict my mind, I should restrain my mind. Vishayebhyo manaso nigraha. This is Shama. And Tadrisha Vishayebhyo means Shravanadi Vyatirikta Adhikara Anupayukta Vishayebhyo Bahirindriyanam Shrotradinam Nigraha is Dhamma. Shrotradi Indriya, which are Bahirindriya, their Nigraha is called Dhamma. Moolam चित्तैकाग्र्यम समाधान. शीतोष्णादि द्वंद्व सहनम स्थितिक्षा. सहनम सर्व दुखानाम प्रतिकार पूर्वकम. So what is required you do without getting vikshipta. शीतोष्णादि द्वंद्व सहनम. चित्तैकाग्र्यम समाधान. चित्त एकाग्रता is समाधान. गुरु वेदांत वाक्य विश्वास श्रद्धा. And Shraddha means Vishwasa in Guru Vedanta Vakya. अत्र उपरम शब्देन संन्यासो अभिधीयते तथा च संन्यासिनाम एव श्रवणाधिकार इति केचित्. So by uparama shabda, sannyasa is indicated. Therefore, sannyasinam eva shravana adhikara. Some people say only sannyasis have shravana adhikara. Sannyasi means those who have given up yashanatraya. And those who don't have so many karmas to do, they will have shravanadhikara. Tika. गृहस्थादीनां श्रवणादाव अनधिकारम मन्यमानानां केषांचित् सन्यासिनां मतम आह. So some sannyasis, they say grihasthas, they don't have adhikara. Grihasthadinam shravanadav anadhikaram manyamananam keshanchit sannyasinam matam. Some sannyasis, not all sannyasis, but some sannyasis, they say you have to take sannyasa. Sannyasa means yeshanatraya tyaga, and you don't have all the karmas, that this karma I have to do, that karma I have to do, such things. No kamya karma, no nitya karma, naimitya karma, nothing. So their matam aha atra uparama shabdena sannyasa. Now some other people. So this is atra means among shama, dama, etc. Shamadishu. So among shama, dama, uparama, titiksha, uparama shabda means sannyasa. Some people say that. Who are the other people? Vachaspati Mishra matam aha. Vachaspati Mishra, they are the apare. Apare tu uparama shabdasya sannyasa vachakatva abhavat विक्षेप अभाव मात्रस्य गृहस्थेषु अपि संभवात्. विक्षेप अभाव is possible in grihastha also. दृष्टांत they give जनकादेहे अपि ब्रह्म विचारस्य श्रूयमाणत्वात्. जनक adi means Ashwapati in Brahadaranyaka. So different raja that there is another one at the end of Brahadaranyaka also. Jaivali, I think. Brahma Vicharasya Shruyamanatvat. And they will give Uddharana that many Rishi Munis, they were all Grahasthas, they were not Sannyasis. So Janakadehe api Brahma Vicharasya Shruyamanatvat. Sarvashrama Sadharanam Shravanadi Vidhanam Ityahu. So they say Shravanadi can be done by people in any ashrama, sannyas ashrama or otherwise also. And some sannyasi, they will say, if you have too many other activities, you will not be able to understand or absorb the teaching. You have to reduce all your other activities. Means if somebody is working full-time in some company and trying to do Shravanam, that is far from or abidance. Some exceptions are there. Yoga Brashta, those who have done sadhanas in Purva Janma, there could be such people. Nanu sagunopasanaya api mukti phaladhatritva shravanat shravanadi samasadita tattva eva moksha sadhanam iti katham ityashankya. Now someone says saguna upasana also can give mukti. Saguna upasanayaha shashti mukti phaladhatritvam. It can give mukti phala. Iti shravanat. And therefore, Shravanadi Samasadita Samyak Asadita Tattva Jnanam. That which is Praptam through Shravanadi, that Tattva Jnanam eva Moksha Sadhanam iti katham. How do you say only Tattva Jnanam is Moksha Sadhanam? Iti ashankyaha. Sagunopasanam api chittaikagriya dvara nirvishesha brahma sakshatkare hetu. Saguna upasana directly will not give mukti. It will give chitta ekagrata. That means if we are doing saguna upasana, chitta ekagrata should be the result. I should not be thinking of different things here, there. I should be focused on the dhyaya, my upasya. And through that chitta ekagrata, nirvishesha brahma sakshatkare hetu. They become the hetu for nirvishesha brahma sakshat. Tika. निदिध्यासनात्मक चित्तैकाग्र्य द्वारा तत्र अंतस्तद्धर्मोपदेशात् इति सूत्रस्थ कल्पतरु वचनम उदाहरति. निदिध्यासनात्मक चित्तैकाग्र्यम. निदिध्यासनम is for चित्त एकाग्रता. निदिध्यासनात्मक चित्त एकाग्र्य द्वारा तत्र अंतस्तद्धर्मोपदेशात् इति सूत्रस्थ. In this sutra 1120 Kalpataru vachanam. Kalpataru is on Bhamati. Bhamati, then Kalpataru, then Parimala. Vachanam udaharati, taduktam iti. These are the prasiddha shlokas. Nirvishesham param brahma,
निर्विशेषं परं ब्रह्म
sakshat kartumanishvaraha,
साक्षात् कर्तुमनीश्वराः
ye mandaste nukampyante,
ये मन्दास्तेऽनुकम्प्यन्ते
savishesha nirupanaihi,
सविशेषनिरूपणैः
vashīkrite manasyesham,
वशीकृते मनस्येषां
saguna brahma shīlanāt,
सगुणब्रह्मशीलनात्
तदेवाविर्भवेत् साक्षा
तदेवाविर्भवेत् साक्षात्
दपेतोपाधिकल्पनम्.
दपेतोपाधिकल्पनम्
साक्षात दीर्घ इज नीडेड. निर्विशेषम परम ब्रह्म साक्षात्कर्तुम अनीश्वरा. Those who are निर्विशेष ब्रह्म साक्षात्कार incapable. Those who are incapable of साक्षात्कार of निर्विशेषम परम ब्रह्म, ये मंदाहा, they are manda people. So someone should not think, oh, this savishesha nirupanam is for manda people. Manda people means you. Don't think, oh, other. Somewhere actually it happened when Maharaji was teaching something. This upasana, I think. Upasana is for those who are not prepared or something. So, acha, upasana. Shastra. Shastra is for Ajnani. Shastra is for whom? Jnani or Ajnani?
Ajnani.
Started. Oh, acha. It is for Ajnani. Are you are Ajnani? Like that here also. When it is said, Savishesha Nirupanam is for Manda. Ye Mandaha te Savishesha Nirupanaihi Anukampyate. Anukampa, compassion is shown towards those who are incapable of dwelling on Nirguna Brahma. Means they cannot think that I am Nirguna Brahma. They think I am body. I am body, I am mind, I am Karta Bhokta, and I am very intelligent. I am able to answer 3-4 questions out of 25. I am very intelligent. And they are Manda. Manda not because they are able to answer few questions, because they think I am this Buddhi only. So they think of themselves as Savishesha. Sarupa buddhir jagatishware cha sarupadhir atmani yavadasti. Then arupa atma kaha prapashyet. If I think I am Savishesha, then how can Brahma will be Nirvishesha for me? Because I am not able to let go of my upadhi. So for them, upasana is given. Then what will happen? Esham saguna brahma shilanat manasi vashikrite sati. When they do saguna brahma shilanam, shilanam means this becomes their swabhava. Saguna brahma chintanam, when it becomes their swabhava, manasi vashikrite, now mind is under control. Mind is not vikshipta. Mind is not thinking about others and how others rate me, how what others think of me. That is not what they are worried. They think of Brahma. Then tadeva अपेत उपाधि कल्पनम साक्षात आविर्भवेत. Tadeva, that Saguna Brahma now gets revealed to them devoid of upadhi. Apeta upadhi kalpanam. Saguna Brahma alone becomes clear to them without upadhi, means as nirguna. कल्पतरुकार वचनम is प्रसिद्धम. टीका ये मंदाः अकृत सगुण उपासनत्वात् अवशीकृत चित्ताः. Those who have not done saguna upasanam, they have avashikrita chitta. Vashikritam chittam yesham te vashikrita chittaha. Na vashikrita chittaha avashikrita chittaha. Those who don't have this chitta under control.
Swamiji, what is the meaning of for Anishwaraha?
Anishwara means those who are incapable. Sakshat kartum asaktaha. They are not asamarthaha. Ashaktaha or asamarthaha. Incapable. Okay, let us keep up to here. Only few more pages are there, but this is all important portion. And then now he will just conclude with Jivan Mukti, Videha Mukti Adi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.